In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add YouTube link to your Instagram bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to go to YouTube app. And then if we want to copy a link to a YouTube video, we need to find that video, then tap at these three dots, share, and then copy link. That will copy the link to this particular video to our clipboard. If we want to add YouTube link to our channel, we need to go to our channel, then three dots, share, and copy link. After that we can hop out YouTube app and go to Instagram. Once you are at Instagram, first off go to your profile, then tap at edit profile, and then you will be able to edit your bio. You can in this simple way paste your link and then hit add done to save the changes. However, if we go to our profile, we can see that this link is not clickable. If you want to make the link clickable, tap at edit profile. We can remove our link from bio, and then we need to go to links, then add external link, and then just paste it here. Also you can give a title and then just tap at done to save the changes. After that, if we go to our profile, we can see that clickable link. That's how you can easily add YouTube link to your Instagram bio. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.